Hi guys, welcome to Techavro. In this video, I'm gonna be showing you how to change Wix font. So let's go to the Wix editor page first. This is the Wix editor page. You can see at the editor option here. Now, if you want to change the font, you have to choose the text first. Like I'm choosing this text, and you can see here edit text. Click on edit text. Now you can see here fonts. This one. If you click on this drop down menu, you'll find many fonts here. You can choose any fonts you want. Okay, so basically this is how you can change font in Wix. So guys, if you find this video helpful, then please give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.